Welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to cook fried crab leg sticks. So for this recipe, you will need 8 imitation crab leg sticks, 1 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. You will need 3 eggs and 2 tablespoons of milk. And of course, you need vegetable oil for the frying. So let's get started. So first you want to start off with your 3 eggs, and you want to whisk together your 3 eggs and your 2 tablespoons of milk, because you want to make an egg wash for your crab legs. So you just want to mix this together really good. And while I'm mixing this together, I have my grease in my frying pan, and I have it heating on 5 right now. So to start off, you want to coat your crab leg sticks in flour evenly, such as so, like that. Make sure flour is coated all over. Then you want to dip them in the egg wash, and next you want to roll them around in the breadcrumbs. Like that. So you want to do all of your crab legs like that, and as I have stated before, I have my grease already pre-warmed, so I'm just going to test it. It's not quite ready yet, so I'm just give it a few more minutes to warm up the grease. But in the meantime, I am going to take another crab leg, dip it in my flour first, roll it around in my flour. Next, I want to put it in my egg wash, and then my breadcrumbs. And so on and so forth. So I'm just waiting till the grease get hot. Now that my grease is hot, I'm just gonna take my crab legs and I'm gonna place them in the grease. And you don't want to cook them about for 2 minutes on each side. You don't want to cook them too long because they'll shred. So while those 2 are cooking, I'm going to be preparing my other crab leg sticks. So just gonna turn those over. It's a nice golden brown. So I have cooked 4 out of the 8 so far, and this is what they look like. So all I'm gonna do now is cook my remaining 4. And as I have stated before, you just cook them like 1 to 2 minutes on each side. They don't have to cook long, just enough until they turn like golden brown, because this is imitation crab meat and it's already done and ready to eat. Like I dropped this on in at first and it's already done and ready. So there you have it. Fried crab leg sticks. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my fried crab leg sticks. This recipe is a great appetizer for any occasion. So please comment, like, and subscribe below. And thanks for watching. Bye!